Banjo go Cloud.
Oh,
Let's go
God.
Cloud, dude. This is. Oh, let's go Banjo. I'm happy.
Oh.
He's throwing. Yeah, John. Why are you throwing, bro? This is losers. At least go Cloud. Come on.
I think he just gave up.
Zero
Yellow
suit. You have
Banjo
a
with
zero
the
suit
golden
now.
kazooie.
He plays Zero Suit?
He does play zero suit.
I love Zero Suit.
Right? I do like the LittleMac pick. It's been a while since I've seen this. Green has some LittleMac practice, so, you know.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, game number 1. Let's see. We're gonna see John's Banjo and Kazooie versus, I'm sorry, LittleMac. Now, this is actually one of Cereal's characters. Well, he knows LittleMac, he knows Banjo. Let's see if he knows how to fight against LittleMac being very quick, some of the best ground game in the entire roster. Good. Actually, SDI is out of the rapid jab? Okay, alright, I see you.
I've never seen it. Ooh, force smash.
Almost gets hit by it too. Good uphill and beauty of beautiful coming up.
And that does it too?
Yeah, she's I don't know if John's doing that wrong. No sparks, no. Good shield coming out from Mr. Cereal. Wow, make sure he does not get the kill, but good grab coming out from Green. Ooh, good spot dodge. Almost getting the down smash, not though. Alright. Good pressure coming out from Cereal. Gets the angle down forward smash for the damage. Ooh. He's really still on 3 spots. This is crazy.
Yes. It's not looking too good for Green.
Not looking good. And finally using side B, but at the off stage for some reason and not on stage. But I do understand why LittleMac can. Ooh, shield that and make it in time. Oh. This right here. It's a crazy match. Wow. Game number 1.
Uh-oh, he has KO.
Looking really good for Sarah right now. Oh, he has a kill punch on deck, but just like that.
I was looking for a KO too.
Right, misses the side B. It's 4-2. No down smash here.
Oh, just a second.
Right. Getting the forward smash. Let's go. No pre-stock here.
This might be it, folks. Oh, and he...
That was a LittleMac attack. I've done that before many times. May not be enough though, because still looking really good right now for high strides. Ooh.
GG's.
What a timing and placement for that up smash.
That was so quick.
Yeah.
That belt looking good on you, son.
Alright. No surprise, Cereal takes game number 1. I would know. Double randoms it is. Just like that, we have MetaKnight versus the Dr.Mario.
Is MetaKnight?
Yep. Both very funny characters.
Funny and aggressive.
1, go!
Nobody uses MetaKnight.
Let's see how John's MetaKnight will fare against this. Dr.Mario. Already down 1 game to Cereal.
It feels weird how zoomed in the screen is.
Oh, going for the Cheeto. What'd you say? Figures?
At the beginning, how they were so close, it made the screen very zoomed in and it looked weird.
What are you saying?
You're still alive. What was I say? Okay.
Uh-oh.
MetaKnight. Oh, I'll go for the back row. Interesting.
I'm pretty sure he's gonna try to go for it now.
You know, you just might, but not looking up right now. It's a back row. Ooh, good. Bill almost killing.
But I don't do it, yeah.
Yeah, that's a little one up tilt. All it takes. Good down coming out from Dr.Mario right now. Base control. Ooh, getting with the 1, 2, 3. And edge guard is gonna work. So not looking too bad for green right now. Good new player. Good interactions here. Ooh, alright, and they're working, let's go. That's gonna do it. Hits him with the side B. Hits him with another, makes it back, nice and safe. One more edge guard here, and does not even try to go from edge guard even though he has 6 jumps, that's crazy. Nice dash attack. Let's see out there afterwards. Wow! Right? The heavy armor coming in clutch for Dr.Mario. Nice, gets him in front of a P. Position, resets neutral. Ooh, side B knocking him all the way and dies for it. Unfortunate stuff there. Trying to drag him up. Like that. Gets this
Almost worked.
Almost, right? It's a back here. Gets punished and side B for that. Smash crown up to kill though, so 120 to 103. And you should be dead here. Alright. Serial eliminate.
Dr. Mario wins!
2-0 fashion.
That's the